know, these cars remind me of that old saying, something old, something new, something borrowed, and something blue. What was borrowed? Well, that day my camera. And what was blue? Well, after seeing those cars, my balls. 1970 Pontiac GTO
the Judge.
There's a lot of Pontiac haters out there, which boils me up.
There's enough to get me to the boiling point!
Thanks, Macho Man, you've always got my back. Also, don't do coke, you guys. Underneath the hood is a Ram Air 4 400 cubic inch V8. It had a compression ratio of 10.5 to 1, and it was rated 370 horsepower. I guess that's what you would call stiff competition. Inside is a 4-speed manual transmission, so for those of you with a 4-speed fetish, why don't I set the mood? 390 rear gears were standard on these cars and 433 were optional, though I don't know what this car is housing, so let's just move on from my incompetence and pretend it didn't happen. Curb weight is 3,781 pounds, and that's without driver. You put me in that thing after binging on Halloween candy for the last week, and you're fully loaded well over 4,000 pounds. And not too long from now, my toilet is also going to be fully loaded. Let's check out the opponent, shall we? Dodge Charger Scat Pack. And the jokes I could make referencing scat are innumerable, but I'll restrain myself. These things are super cool, and no, it doesn't have some peasantly 5.7 liter V8. This thing has 6.4 liters of pure American nastiness, and if there's one thing that we Americans are good at, it's being nasty. We don't even use bidets, so suck it, more hygienic European countries. We use toilet paper, because this is America, and speaking of toilet paper, let's get back to the scat. The compression ratio is 10.9 to 1, and this thing was rated 485 horsepower. Inside, you'll find an 8-speed automatic transmission, and then out back is a set of 309 rear gears, which should work really well with that transmission. At this point, you might be thinking that the GTO has absolutely no chance of winning this race, but we haven't talked about the weight of this Charger. This behemoth is coming in at a curb weight of 4,400 pounds. But how about we see if this Scat Pack can flush the competition? And in a very close race, the GTO took the early lead, but the Charger was able to come back for the win, running 12.19 seconds at 115.33 miles per hour. And then in the other lane, the GTO ran a very impressive 12.22 seconds at 114.50 miles per hour. Unfortunately, this was a time trial race, so this is the only matchup that you're going to get between these two cars. Isn't that a load of scat? See ya!